Partners, invite a friend. So if you are a member of the partner program, you can invite a friend using your direct referral URL. From the dashboard, you can simply go to invite a friend and it will give you your referral URL to send to them. It will also give you any notes, such as making sure that you have put your payment details in for receiving partner payouts, and a handy little button. If you've already done that, this will not be there. So you can simply copy this by clicking here and send this to your referral, and they sign up. You can receive the 40% tier 1 commission for that direct referral. You can also get this URL by visiting any of the main menu items in the top here, such as courses. You can go down to the partner program, simply go across to partner settings and copy the URL from there as well. This is how you can invite a friend or add a friend as a referral onto the Zenler platform and receive your tier 1 commission, and if they sell, receive their tier 2 commission for you at 5%.